Hi, it's Dr. Pennoyer. Just wanted to let you guys know all the things we're doing to keep all of us safe. We have a lot of precautions, and we've been doing this since May. We really do change on a daily basis because we're keeping up to date with all that the CDC tells us to do. So come on, let me show you. So what we have here is we're keeping everybody 6 feet away from our check-in. We try to not have to touch your cards. We try to get those things over the phone. You can sanitize here, and we also want to sanitize the pens you use. As you see from the chairs, you can only sit in certain chairs, and we try to keep you out of the waiting room. The nice thing is we do have a big office, so we try to get you in the patient room as fast as we can. When you come in, we're going to have to stop here, and we're going to take your temperature. Ready, Marie? Good. Hey, Marie, you want to clean the room? I'll just go in there and talk while you go. In our exam room, after every patient, we're cleaning the entire room. As Marie will show you, we wipe it all down, all the surfaces, even the chair, even the door. And again, at checkout, it's that same distancing, so we try to not take anything from you as best we can and keep you distanced. Okay? So this is our cosmetic waiting room over here, and as you can see, there's no magazines, no pamphlets whatsoever, and we've also taken down any of the testers so that there's nothing that anybody can touch here. Going into Leanne's room. Leanne is my esthetician who's been with me forever, and you can see she's fully shielded and masked and has gloves on, and this room gets wiped down after every patient, all over the room, the table, the counters, etc. We are able to still do hydrofacials, chemical peels, and cool sculpting in here. We even have a mini filter to offer you. Because you have to take off your mask, you can breathe through this filter and put the clamp on your nose, and that's for multiple uses. So that is a really neat mini filter that you can take home with you. It's good for multiple uses, I think up to 5 uses, so that you're even more safe, even though we've already got the shields and we've got another shield hanging from the ceiling that we can pull down. Moving right on over to laser. This is our Vivace room. And as you can see, Lisa, our laser nurse, is wiping down everything after each patient. And she, again, is fully shielded and masked. And we're able to do the Vivace. And again, we could use the mini filter while we do this as well to give you an extra level of comfort for that. And then we also are able to do, down at the laser end, the other lasers. In the summer, we mostly don't do some of the pigmentation lasers because most of us have a little bit of sun and we don't want to do that. But we can do the hair removal and some of the vascular lesions. And as you can see, we've got everything wiped down and clean. There's no pamphlets or anything to touch anywhere. So you're safe with us.